Hi, and welcome to Math 153. Before you start working through the material, I'm going to walk you through some key aspects of the D2L course. When you click on Math 153 D2L course, you'll be brought to the Welcome page. This is where announcements will be posted for the class. You can also see a list of upcoming due dates to the right under your calendar. In order to access the course material, you will click the Content tab located in the upper left corner of the page. Under the Getting Started tab, you will find important information about the course and how to be successful in this class. Most important, you'll find instructor information. Though this is an online course, you are not taking it alone. I encourage you to contact me with any questions or concerns using the information provided. I will also have scheduled Zoom hours, and I will be available via appointment if you cannot make those scheduled hours. Before we continue on to the material section, I want to point out a few more items under Getting Started. You'll see the Welcome to the Math department, which has a myriad of resources to be successful, such as things to know, instructor information, a communication plan, and important dates. Under our course information, you'll find the course overview, our syllabus, course policy expectations and evaluation measures, MyLabs Plus information. This is where you will be doing your homework, taking tests and quizzes, and also our course schedule. Please make sure to go through all these resources and read them thoroughly, and please let me know if you have any questions. We're going to look quickly at the course policies, expectations, and evaluation measures. You'll again see a communication plan, our course materials. You are not required to purchase a textbook for this course. You can access the textbook through your MyLabs Plus account. You will need a TI-83 or 84 graphing calculator. We will have proctored tests in this class. Tests will be taken on MyLabs Plus, but work must be uploaded to your D2L in order to receive credit. The grade you receive in MyLabs Plus will not be finalized until I've reviewed your work. All work will be graded using a 4-point rubric. Again, I'd encourage you to read through this thoroughly. Every week, you will have a set of homework that is due. This again will be completed on MyLabs Plus. Homework will be due on Fridays at 11:59 p.m. All homework that is submitted on or before the due date will receive your full credit. Anything submitted after the due date will have a 20% penalty until the final. That means you can still work on these homeworks up until the day of the final. Since we are not meeting face-to-face, a myriad of activities have been added, such as discussion boards, to help you interact with the material. Again, please make sure to know any rubrics that are associated with either discussion boards or projects. If you anticipate missing any deadlines, please contact me ASAP. This again is an online course, and we do not have any scheduled days to meet. I'll be contacting everyone individually at least once every 2 weeks about your progress in the class. Before we move on to take a look at the schedule, please take special note of the evaluation measures. You will have one test per unit and the final, which is 75% of your grade. homework, which is 10%, projects, which is 5%, quizzes and other activities will be 10%. The grading scale is also provided down here at the bottom. You may have noticed, as I've been scrolling through, some words you can click on, such as schedule under attendance. When you click on these, they'll bring you directly to the resource in your D2L page. Again, since this is an online course, following the schedule will be imperative. I would also recommend downloading the schedule by scrolling down to the bottom and clicking Printable Course Calendar. Under week 1, you'll see you have 4 assignments that are due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. To access the information for these assignments, you can click Week 1. This brings you directly to the Week 1 content. You can also find this information by going to Content, Unit 1, Week 1. I'm going to quickly go back to Unit 1 as a whole. You can see there's a Unit 1 overview, and this provides all the learning objectives for this unit. There's also a Unit 1 checklist. As you complete items, you can check these off the list, and it'll show your progress above. This will help keep you on track to know that you've completed everything in order to receive a proper grade. I'm quickly going to bring you back to this schedule so we can discuss your homework. So you'll notice that quite a few items have MLP linked next to them. That's because those assignments are to be completed on MyLabs Plus. If you have never used MyLabs Plus before, you will sign in with your DTCC email and the password MathStudent, all lowercase. I'll be more than happy to walk you through this if you need further help. There is also a link under your Getting Started for MyLabs Plus information. I'm quickly going to walk you through Unit 1 before you start working on the material. So again, under Unit 1, you have your overview, your checklist, and for Unit 1, we have weeks 1, 2, and 3. So let's take a quick look under week 1. At the top, there'll be a list of items to complete. And as you scroll, you'll then see how to access the lessons. There'll be a video lesson with notes that go along with that video that you can print out to follow along. Solutions will also be provided. There's a link that you can click again that'll bring you to the MyLabs Plus page to complete your homework. You'll notice that some lessons also have supplemental support, which are additional videos that I encourage you to watch. Please again take special note of any rubrics that are attached to assignments. At the end of each unit, you'll take a unit exam. In this case, the Unit 1 exam will be found in week 3. Again, exams are proctored and are 120 minutes long. Your work must be uploaded to D2L in order to receive a grade. I will go through and grade your work based on the 4-point rubric. There's also 1 project per unit. Now that I've taken you through Unit 1, You should have a firm understanding of how to interact with the D2L page. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out with the information I provided. I'm looking forward to us having a great semester.